This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear brake pads replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Push the hood safety latch to your left, then raise the hood. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Raise the rear of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Remove the appropriate rear wheel. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. While counter-holding the guide pin on the inside of the caliper with a wrench, unscrew the caliper lower mounting bolt. Pivot the caliper up to access the pads. Support the caliper in this position with a wire so it doesn't fall down while replacing the pads. Remove the inner and outer pads and shims from the mounting bracket. Remove the anti-rattle clips from the caliper mounting bracket. Remove and inspect the lower caliper guide pin for scoring and corrosion. Then lubricate it with high-temperature brake grease. Reinsert the guide pin securely into the caliper mounting bracket. Perform the same operation to the upper slide pin. If the replacement pads do not come with new shims, remove the shims from the old pads. Apply anti-squeal compound to the backing plates of the new pads, then install the shims onto the pads. Clean any debris from the brake caliper bracket, especially where the anti-rattle clips will be. Install the new anti-rattle clips into the caliper bracket, making sure they are fully seated into the notches. Install the inner brake pad, noting the position of the wear indicator. Install the outer brake pad. Pivot the caliper over the pads and install the caliper lower mounting bolt. Tighten the caliper mounting bolt to the specified torque setting, while counter-holding the guide pins with another wrench. Repeat this procedure on the remaining rear brake pads. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary until the fluid reaches the max mark.